Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alongside our usual CFD simulations, I am starting a system simulation series with OpenModelica, focusing on 0D and 1D model to help you build and analyze dynamic systems. The full course with all example models and step-by-step workflows is available to channel members. Click the join button below to get full access and follow the complete series including upcoming advanced courses. When I first started learning OpenModelica, I realized how difficult it was to find structured, practical, and affordable training. That's why this course is created to make learning OpenModelica clear, practical, and accessible for anyone starting out. We will start with the fundamental concepts and basic principle of modeling and simulation and gradually build up on them step by step. By the end, you will have a solid foundation and the confidence to create and analyze your own dynamic system models. In system modeling, I have worked with the tools like Simscape, which is a MATLAB simulating library, and it is an extremely powerful tool. However, I found OpenModelica provides everything needed for modeling and simulation, and of course, without any licensing cost. Throughout this course, you will learn to navigate OpenModelica and use OMEdit effectively. We will build simple dynamic model and run simulations, understand the basic system behavior, and interpret results. All lessons include practical examples so you can follow along and apply what you learn immediately. I am also developing an advanced course that will explore more complex simulation and real-world applications. So let's get started and bring your first model to life.